Bitcoin soars 10% in huge bounce back as hash rate rises despite China's crackdown. Bitcoin has bounced back today with a surge of nearly 10% as the mining hash rate resurges after the latest crackdown from China. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video we will discuss and analyze the Bitcoin market of today. So let's get started. China's State Council announced it will crack down on Bitcoin trading and mining in late May of this year. After the local government of Sichuan issued a ban on crypto mining a week ago, the hash rate dropped substantially. China's ban drove cryptocurrency miners overseas, and the uplining of so many mining risks is said to cause the mining difficulty level to drop. The cryptocurrency value went up from $30,513 to $33,563 at one point, spiking in a surge of 9.2%. Now the hash rate is rising as miners outside of China take advantage of the new coming difficulty level challenge, with one expert claiming this shows the underlying integrity of Bitcoin's protocol. Speaking to express.co.uk, Max Kaiser said, "You don't fix Bitcoin, Bitcoin fixes you." China's economy is structurally unstable due to corruption and debt. They simply could not handle the underlying integrity of Bitcoin's protocol. On Saturday, Bitcoin's hash rate managed to climb up above 100 exahash per second level. Because of Beijing's ban on mining and the uplining of the operation in China, the hash rate had fallen to a low of 91 EHS 3 days ago. We have also covered the news regarding the ban of crypto mining and crypto transactions in China. If you haven't watched that, you can watch that video. We'll provide you the link below in the description box. The Bitcoin network mining difficulty changes in coming, and it will see the difficulty drop by the over 20%, allowing small mining operations to become profitable. The network's mining difficulty is currently at 19.93 trillion, and the change could bring it to 15.83 trillion next week. Bitcoin's mining difficulty rate adjusts so new blocks are rewarded at a steady average rate. The cryptocurrency's coding is said to automatically adjust the target hash up or down. Currently, it is said to read just the hash rate downwards, so making it more profitable to mine Bitcoin. On Sunday morning UK time, the global cryptocurrency market capitalization was $1.33 trillion. In the past 24 hours, it saw an 8.19% increase, with Bitcoin rising to a high of $33,496.68. China's sweeping on banned cryptocurrency mining last week temporarily paralyzed the industry. Over half of global Bitcoin production was centered in China. However, now miners are fleeing the country to seek refuge in places such as Texas and Kazakhstan. So Bitcoin has soared 10% in huge bounce back. So this video was about the cryptocurrency and Bitcoin market of today. So if you want to stay updated to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoins, Ether news, then you can subscribe our channel. We try to cover all the news and information related to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoins, Ether and many more. So subscribe our channel for more informative video like this. On that note, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.